You searched how to buy shares of China Tourism Group Duty-Free Corporation Limited, a major duty-free retail operator in China. It trades on the HKEX under ticker 1880 HK, and this video is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 1880 HK to find the China Tourism Group duty-free listing. Select the result that matches the company name and ticker. On the asset page, review the short company profile and the price chart to confirm you have the correct stock. Double-check the issuer name and the 1880 HK ticker before proceeding. Click or tap Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may post as pending for the next session. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio view. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform.